Vanessa Bryant's life is a powerful story of strength, resilience, and legacy. As the widow of basketball icon Kobe Bryant, she not only carries forward her family's incredible legacy, but has also built her own empire with a net worth of around $600 million. In this video, we dive deep into Vanessa's world, exploring her luxurious lifestyle, her incredible fortune, and how she continues to honor Kobe's memory after his tragic death. Get ready for an inside look at the woman behind the legacy. Let's begin!
Vanessa Lane Bryant was born on May 5, 1982, in Los Angeles, California. Growing up in a working-class family, she was always determined to make something of herself. Vanessa's early life was far from glamorous, and her humble beginnings played a crucial role in shaping the determined and resilient woman she would become. She started modeling at a young age, but her life took a monumental turn in 1999 when she met Kobe Bryant. Little did she know, this encounter would not only change her life but also the course of history in the world of basketball. Vanessa's career as a model and dancer eventually led her to work on music videos, but it was her chance meeting with Kobe Bryant on the set of a music video that truly set her path. At just 17 years old, she caught the attention of the NBA star, who was only 21 at the time. Their connection was instant, and after just a few months of dating, they were engaged. Despite their age difference and the scrutiny that came with their high-profile relationship, Vanessa and Kobe's bond only grew stronger. Vanessa and Kobe's love story was one for the ages. They married on April 18, 2001, after a whirlwind romance. Together, they weathered the highs and lows of life, including Kobe's basketball career, the challenges of fame, and a few public controversies. Despite it all, Vanessa stood by her husband's side, and they became parents to 4 beautiful daughters: Natalia, Gianna, Gigi, Bianca, and Capri. Their relationship was deeply rooted in love, mutual respect, and a shared vision for their family. On January 26, 2020, tragedy struck when Kobe and the 13-year-old daughter, Gianna, died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. Vanessa was left to cope with the unimaginable pain of losing her husband and daughter in one fell swoop. The grief was unbearable, but Vanessa exhibited extraordinary strength. Despite the heartbreak, she knew she had to honor their memories and continue their legacies. Kobe's passing didn't just leave Vanessa with a broken heart, it also changed her financial landscape. Before the tragedy, the Bryant family estate was valued at around $75 million. But today, Vanessa's net worth is estimated to be around $600 million. She inherited a vast fortune, including investments, real estate, and the intellectual property rights associated with the Kobe Bryant brand. Despite the immense wealth, Vanessa has chosen to live a private life, mostly focused on raising her daughters and honoring Kobe's legacy. Kobe was known for his love of luxury cars, and Vanessa's car collection reflects the high-end taste the couple shared. Among the prized possessions are a Lamborghini Aventador, a Ferrari 458 Italia, and a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Each car in the collection tells a story of success, luxury, and the love they both had for fine automobiles. Vanessa Bryant's mansion in Orange County, California, is a true testament to her wealth and status. The sprawling estate, which includes a massive 8,000-square-foot mansion, features custom designs and luxurious amenities. With 6 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a full-size gym, and an expansive backyard, the home offers Vanessa and her daughters the peace and privacy they deserve. It's not just a house, it's a sanctuary for a woman who has endured so much. Vanessa has dedicated her life to honoring the memory of Kobe and Gianna through philanthropic endeavors. Together with Kobe, she founded the Kobe and Vanessa Bryant Foundation in 2007. This foundation has been instrumental in providing scholarships to underprivileged and minority students. Additionally, Vanessa is the driving force behind the Mamba and Mambasita Sports Foundation, which supports young athletes in need. Her philanthropic efforts continue to change lives, empowering the next generation to succeed in education and sports. Vanessa and her family have been strong advocates for African American culture and history. They've supported the National Museum of African American History and Culture, and Vanessa has worked with organizations like Baby2Baby to support underprivileged children and families. Through these partnerships, Vanessa has played a key role in preserving the legacy of Black excellence and ensuring that underserved communities have access to opportunities that will help them thrive. In addition to her personal and philanthropic endeavors, Vanessa has also been involved in several legal battles to protect Kobe's legacy and ensure that his intellectual property is handled correctly. One of the most notable cases was the lawsuit filed against the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department after the tragic helicopter crash, which resulted in the illegal sharing of photos from the crash site. Vanessa has been unwavering in her pursuit of justice, ensuring that her family's dignity is upheld. Vanessa's net worth isn't just a reflection of her inherited wealth, it is a product of her own determination, vision, and leadership. As a mother, entrepreneur, and philanthropist, she has built her own empire, ensuring that her family's legacy continues to make a positive impact on the world. Her wealth and influence are not defined solely by her association with Kobe Bryant but by her personal achievements and the positive change she continues to create. Vanessa Bryant's story is one of strength, resilience, and unwavering commitment to her family and community. She's not just the widow of a basketball legend but a powerful force in her own right, building a legacy that will inspire generations to come. If Vanessa's journey has inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories of strength and resilience.